I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching power and placement. Check the charger's rated wattage and your phone's maximum wireless input because mismatches slow charging. Once done, plug the charger into a USB-C wall adapter that supports the required output and then connect the cable firmly. Make sure the pad sits flat on a table and remove any metal or magnetic cases, otherwise charging won't align. Now pick up your phone. Align its wireless charging coil with the pad center and set it down gently. You want optimal speed and safety. Center the phone so coils align because slight shifts reduce wattage. Once centered, feel for a short vibration or check the status LED to confirm contact and keep the phone stationary while charging. If you need faster output, remove thick or metal-lined cases and use a compatible adapter rated for higher wattage. Also, monitor temperature. The charger and phone may throttle if hot, so pause charging or remove cases to cool down if performance drops. You finish by removing the phone when charging completes because repeated full topping overnight can stress battery long-term. For daily convenience, though, modern phones manage charge. Once fully done, keep the pad clean with a microfiber cloth and avoid spills. If charging fails, first test the USB-C cable and adapter, then realign the device and try without the case. Often the issue is misalignment or an incompatible case. If problems persist, reset power by unplugging for 30 seconds and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.